I'm installing a new arbor on this one. I'm going to start off by cleaning this really good with the solvent. Brake cleaner, anything. Something. It'll get all the oil out of there. Go in and clean the other mating surface. There's two mating surfaces. One way down inside the arbor and one right up here. We need this thing to sit down on there like really nice and solid. So we lap it in the first time we put it in. As a general rule, you won't have to lap it in again. If it was lapped in once, it should be fine. A lot of people don't believe in lapping them in. I've had good success both ways. I don't really have a problem with this. But I think lapping it in is a good idea. Now I want to see that it was making contact on both of them nice and clean and even. Some of the original ones had a notch in here where you were supposed to line it up to a notch over there. That never really made any difference as far as I could tell. So now I clean that off really good. Then I go in here and clean that off really good. Put the arbor nut back in there. If this doesn't spin in there nice and easy, take this out and clean it. Don't ever try and force it on like threads with dirt in them. You will regret that. Now when I tighten this up, I like to grab this pulley here, hold that, get it to a nice spot like that. Ow. Usually I do it without whacking my head. That's it. That arbor is in there perfect. I'm going to do another video showing you how perfect this is in there. Thanks. Bye.